Hello. I am creating this video to show you how to install a printer on Windows 10. With Windows, we click on the Windows button and we go to Settings. It could be on the left over here. If it's not there, you can always scroll down and pick Settings from the menu here. Then we'll get the Windows setting box and we'll type in printer here. You go to printers and scanners. From here we can see the printers that are already installed onto our computer, and we click on the plus symbol here next to add a printer or scanner. Now the Windows will search the network for all the printers that you have on your network at your school. You'll see printers here, the Brother, the LaserJet, and they're named a certain way. If you can find the printer that you are trying to install, you can click on it. But there'll be so many printers, it will be hard to find the one that you're looking for. So it's best to come down to the printer that I want isn't enlisted and click on that link, and this box will open up. From here we go to add a printer using a TCP IP address or host name. We select that and click next. From here we see host name or IP address. We've already collected the IP address from the printer, so we'll click on 10. We'll add in the IP address for the printer that you have selected. We'll keep checked query the printer and automatically select the driver to use and click next. Now the Windows will contact the printer and query it and ask it what it is and get the drivers for it for you. When we get to this screen with the printer name, this is where you can name the printer. You should name it to something that describes where the printer is, and so you can easily find it within your list of printers. And we click next. We do not share printers. Sharing printers causes many problems, so we always select do not share printer. We click next. From here you can print a test page and close, and you can check the printer to make sure that the test page printed, and then we click finish, and we have loaded our printer. The Lexmark backroom printer that I named is here, and that's how you install a printer